in me for somebody to toy with, to plug the ox to play me. Time was paralyzed, I felt the strain to stretch my lungs. Confidence depleted right along with all the funds. Those days it was less about the bread that we obtained. No other way to slice it, I was scraping by on crumbs, but I loved the feeling the odds against me. Could it tell me that I wouldn't get it? I wanted plenty. I was quick to defend me, feeling surrounded by angels, demons on rare occasion, trying to shake the momentum. Soon as I find a cadence, leave it all on the record. If it's my only reference, shocked how the bar's been electric. You could tell that they felt it, pushing the weight of the world while they sound all the frail shit, forcing the fame in my favor. Kick back and watch the scale tip. More than just all in a day. Spend time with the struggle, I know it too well. We gone separate ways. See, my biggest fear is to change. If I lose it, then reunite. Will I break the promise to stay the same?
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely. I don't wanna seem lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, lonely.
Middle 2010s, stuck in a place secluded deep in my mind. I'm looking out through the lens. Was in a rush to become who I am. Looking back, then I realized that I do it again. All these unfamiliar faces fade from existence. Back with impeccable time, and I've been forgiven, but I'm never forgetful. I kept it solid and simple, stuck to the rail. My word been a bind, yours artificial. You frequent with the slipper. Used to love this shit more like this was all that I needed. Travel the edge of the world to mix the pleasure with business. Took my time on it, won't benefit from overdue revision. Learned through they lackluster love is rooted deep in the evil. Won't tread water lightly, the waves intimidate them. Won't in my hand much too often, I set the expectation. Now I navigated dolo, unclear on praises you gave. When there's the finest line between jealousy signs of your vibration. This one's for them calling me crazy, more for the ones that told them pay me no mind. Those were the words that shaped me. Well rounded it would appear that I pieced it all together. Standing here puzzled at the way we built up the foundation. This one's for the brodies, I got us. Get 50-50, keep it some of 100. Make do what life has got us. Let go and wait and put faith in the process. Make the most of it. I'll be God as the time we allotted. Call it how I see it, provide our witness statement. The way things were gone, I'm all in on the table. They made the plan for their night, I made the long-term arrangement to take it up to a peak that we no longer afraid of. I just wanna be your everything. 'Cause that's who you are to me.
Lie to me, tell me that you'll be there for me. Cause things been feeling crazy lately. Feeling so crazy. And I don't wanna seem lonely, lonely, lonely. But I don't wanna be lonely, no, no.
Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Frozen, neck is frozen. Catch me rolling, I'm the chosen. Snow is falling, Elfie's calling. Check my list twice, most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. They said, Saint Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, her in my bag, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen. Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't forget about the one with the red nose. When I fly high, my sleigh still stay 10 toes. Bring the beat, bring the trees, put the lights up, 'tis the season. Need no Grinch types, no Ebenezer. Don't believe this, y'all need Jesus. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack or in my bag, yeah. They said, say Nick, what you got up in that bag. I got racks in my sack or in my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Good morning, Edwin. What's up, YouTube? What's up? How you guys doing? Hope you guys had a great trading day yesterday, NY session. Let's see what we got here.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. All right. Let's take a look at gold here. So let's mark up gold. Start on the daily time frame. All right. So on the daily, we have a support here, 2146. Daily support, and we also have this daily support here. Previous daily support has been taken out. Let's take a look at the H4 time frame. So now on the H4 time frame, this is going to be 4-hour resistance. And we got a 4-hour support here. And we also have this 4-hour support down here. All right, now in this range, we have this supply here, 4 hours. Take a look at the H1 time frame. All right, so now on the H1 time frame, we can actually switch this to this 1-hour supply here. We can use this right here. That's the one we actually tapped into. All right. And we have this 1 hour, I'll call this 1 hour minus support. Let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so now looking at this here, we also have a 15-minute support here. It's going to be a 15-minute minus support. Now, looking at gold here, now we are bullish overall on the higher time frame, no doubt. But as it stands right now, if we do not break above 2265, there is still a chance that gold can actually fall. Right? If we do not break 2265, there is still a chance that gold can actually fall. And for now, that is what I will be looking for. So if we break 2246, I definitely will be looking to take sales. So that's what I am looking at today, guys. Sales as of right now until we break above 2265 or we come down to this demand here. I need to see if that's going to be a 30-minute demand or a 1-hour demand. Okay, so one-hour demand right here. Yeah, so until we get to this 1-hour demand, I am anticipating sales on gold. And the main reason why I am anticipating and expecting to see gold fall is because this bearish move started from 2265. All right, that's where the bearish move started from. And then once we created this high created this low. Right, this is the major low of this high. The first low this bearish move formed was here. We created this low, created a lower high, then we came down and created a lower low. Okay, we came down and created a lower low. Now price pushed up, came back down, created a new low. We went back up to this 1-hour supply or 1-hour resistance, rejected. Now I am expecting to see price break below this low at 2246. If price can break below 2246, wait for a pullback and then for a continuation. Now we could get to 2234, reject, or we could just break right through it. Now if we get back to this major support, which is the low of the previous high that was formed, we could see price rejecting, or we could break through it and then come back down to this demand for price to continue to push back up from there. At the same time, if we do not break below 22.34, maybe we could see price come back down, form a support, push up a little bit, and then we see price breaking below 22.34 to continue down to the next low at 22.28. So as of right now, that is what I am looking for. I am looking for sales. All right, but I will need to see how we react first at this low at 22.46. Pretty much. Good morning, Addy. Good morning, Romeo. You're a new subscriber. Thank you. No, we've not taken any trades yet. I just started. Good morning, Sue. Good morning, Dex.
Sticks and stones may break my bone, but your words can't hurt me. No, you just can't hurt me. No, I ain't been right.
Oh, what happened? Wow.
Still can't hurt me. No, it just can't hurt me. No.
Wait, Zoom, can you guys still hear me? Yeah, you should be able to.
Yeah, I can hear you loud and clear.
Oh, all right. Good morning, Ashton.
Man, what a trade yesterday.
Oh, yeah, it was beautiful.
I'll tell you what, though, mate, that candle was like schizophrenic. I couldn't believe that candle we entered in.
Yeah, this freaking candle, this one, yeah.
Yeah, crazy. Oh man, I did try and leave a cheeky runner, but it got stopped out annoyingly. Break even.
Oh damn!
When I closed, I always do 2%. I managed to close for the 20, but I wanted to leave it.
How did you stop? How did it get stopped out? Because we got in around here.
Yeah, I'll show you. So I had yesterday. I did one position at 22.52.63. This is my broker, and 22.51.3. Those are my two positions. The one at 22.52, I got 20 pips, easy, got out. I put the other one to just a little bit in profit and my stop loss, and it came back and
okay,
and it came back and stopped me out.
What happened? So it must have been this second candy that stopped you out.
Yes, yeah, exactly. And then I was like, no, and then it absolutely dumped. So I wanted to have a little position that was risk free for news.
Mm-hmm.
Just to see what happens.
Yeah. Good morning, Joe. You sold gold already at 22.59. And also, if you're wondering, why am I waiting for gold to break below 22.46? Number one, waiting for London open. Secondly, if you look at the bullish move, so once we formed a support at 22.28, which is down here. Once we formed this support, the first continuation we had was at 22.34. The next continuation we had was at 22.46. Now, the support we have formed at 2246 was the support that created this high. Okay, that was the support that created this high, which is the major. Now you also have the minor support of this move of 2246. Now, if we break 2250, which is this minor support, there is a higher chance of us breaking 2246. All right, but if we break 2246, definitely we need to start looking for sales, because now we're breaking below the major move that created this high. Okay, it's all, if we're looking from 2228, you say this is the major move, but if we're looking from 2246 to 2259, this is the major support that created a high at 2259. So if we can break 2246, then we should continue to 2234 or even 2228. So that is what we are waiting for right now. So we'll see what happens.
Did you notice yesterday after we ended stream that it got to our demand zone that you drew in the morning?
It broke through it. This was the first demand we had.
Yeah.
And
then it broke it.
Yeah.
Knowing that you're not my baby, but I think maybe you'll reconsider. When I pull up in that brand new thing with the iced out chain and the new chinchilla, and you aim for the heart when you walked on the floor, you a real gangster.
Even US 30 just kept on going.
With the boys in the band, with the bands in the box.
Man, we dodged a bullet there though. Wow. Who was tempted to take that?
I think Edwin was saying it was looking good.
Yep.
That was dirty of US 30, man. Opened up, triggered the buyers, and then instantly reversed.
Yeah, I'm like, damn, buyers lost money yesterday on US 30 for sure. So once NYSE open, it's better to just wait at least 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Let the 5-minute candle close at least.
And it's crazy. NAS is still stuck in that range. It just keeps getting uglier.
Hey Terrell, how you doing? Oh, and also, just like we're looking at the sales, this can also buy as well. Because if we're looking at it from this support, it's pretty much been breaking every highs it's created. Created high, support broke the high. This right here, this was where we had trouble. Once we got to around 2256, this is where we started having trouble. But as you can also see, it came down, created a support because you had a supply here. It failed to hold, went back up, but you have a very strong zone right here. So as it stands, if it does not break 2265, there is no need to take buys right now. Once we break 2265, then you can start looking for buys. In order for me to take buys right now, we need to come back to this low, around this low right here, or this demand, in order for me to take buys. So hopefully we get a London session to it today.
Yeah. You know, it's kind of crazy how yesterday, I think Pi said the daily candle had like no bottom wick, and it went all the way for that bottom wick and then still closed the day bullish.
I know, mad, wasn't it? Absolutely crazy.
That's crazy. Completely flipped that monster candle and then still flipped again back.
Yesterday was a good, don't be married to your bias setup, because it was like in the morning I was like, this is a buy all day long. But then as the day went on, it just started to set up for those sales, and then the no bottom wick on a daily and the news. Yeah, it got lovely New York session.
Yep.
Oh, Janez helped me figure it out now. So if you guys draw on Zoom, they can see. YouTube will see it. Well, just draw one of your crazy candles. Let's verify.
All right. Let's verify.
Because I can
do a disclaimer.
I can see the Zoom chat. I can see the Zoom chat. Oh yeah. Yep, I see it.
All right.
Okay, now it works.
That's nice to know. Now I can fuck with the YouTube chat as well.
That's too accurate, bro. I don't know how you do it.
What days do I trade NY session? Monday to Friday. We trade NY session Monday to Friday. Question is this first rejection going to hold? Is it enough to push go down? Move this away from here. Put this in the other screen. You didn't see it, the whipping post? You must have came late. Five more minutes to London Open. I will say, one thing I will say with the structure we have between 2265 and 2234 is that this was obviously yesterday's move. Okay, This was yesterday's move, and price we could have a continuation of yesterday's move, or we could simply just continue this structure that we have right now. Okay, which is these higher highs and higher lows. The issue is we've not really broken any major structure to the upside. That is the only issue. But what is the momentum right now? The momentum is bullish. We are creating highs and lows. That's the momentum that we have. But the issue here is that we need to break above 2265 for us to take buys. That's the issue. Okay, that's the issue. But what is the momentum right now? The momentum is that we are forming highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows. But we need to break above 2265. And the high that we have here, we barely closed above it. If we go to the 30-minute time frame here, the same thing, and this high that we have right here on the 30-minute, which is at 2257, we actually rejected that high at 2257. So that is a sign that there is a chance that we could fall. But we still need more confirmation before we can say, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna take a sell. No, we're not there yet. We still need more confirmation. We are not there yet, if that makes sense. As a day trader, you have to look at both buy side and the sell side, because when you do it that way, you will then be able to arrive at a conclusion, meaning what positions you should be looking for. The sell is just it's a possible continuation of what happened yesterday, and the buys is based on the momentum that we have. But have we actually broken structure to the upside? No, we have not. I'm a good teacher. Thank you, Dex. That means a lot. I'm a good trader. What's my net worth? What do you think my net worth is?
The right answer is priceless.
Oh, Crystal, is TraderVid working for you now on TradingView? It works for me now. I just had to log out and log back in, and it was fine. But it didn't work yesterday at all, so I didn't trade futures yesterday. So annoying.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of it. I need it all. Do you want it though? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all.
Above or below a mil? I'm still below a mil. Since you want to know badly.
The same gang. We just get to it, we don't gang bang. Lost some friends to the same thing. Keep a low pro when we maintain. Find us in a lost somewhere, kicking back. Find you on computers, type of Twitter facts. You lose a follow, throw a Twitter at. I lose $1, bet I get it back like a boomerang. My girl is big one shining on the rain.
Well, London session is opened. The only thing stopping me from taking a sell below this low is this minor support here. That is what's stopping me from taking a sell here. So this minor support right here that I had earlier, which is at 2250, that's what's stopping me from taking a sell below this low. So got a 50 pips, at least a 50 pip range here. So we got some waiting to do, guys. But if any of you want to risk it on YouTube, hey, you can if you want. For me, I'm going to wait. Good morning, Palmer. Now, what I would like to see . I would like to see how we react to this demand right here. It's close to that low. Let's move this here. Since we have that bullish momentum, we react at this 1 hour demand. Now, why do I decided to have a demand right here? That's because, like I said, every time it created a high pushing up, the support we formed broke it. Support broke high support. We broke this. Once we created this minor support here, we had an issue breaking above here. So this could push us down, and then we could get a reaction from this demand back up. If we have, let's say we have a supply sitting somewhere here, we could get a reaction from here, and if we want to continue falling, we will get our reaction coming back down for price to break the low that is high formed for it to continue to the downside. So we will see how we react here.
I'm pretty sure that's the same demand we had yesterday. I think it's the same level.
Is it the same level?
Or near enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, similar. I think we only broke through it because of the news.
Yeah, the news broke through it. Do I only trade gold? No. We trade gold, US 30, and NAS 100. And some of us trade futures now also. Edwin has a pending position. What pending position does he have? You have a pending position, Edwin?
No, so I was asking about the US 30 trade yesterday. If he had a pending buy.
Oh, I hope you didn't get triggered in.
No, I don't think he did.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, so that means Edwin didn't take no trades yesterday because he didn't take the gold sale with us.
No.
Oh no, why?
Because of the news, he was scared.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, the PMI news. That actually helped us out.
You're having trouble working out on trading view, how to put in stop loss. Can I tell you how to do it? Yeah, I had the same issue. Well, can you please let me explain to Grams?
Okay. So basically, once you place your order, let's say place a buy, you want to place a sell limit above for your TP and also a sell stop, I think it is, for your stop loss down below. So you get triggered out.
Yeah, that's if the position was a sell, right?
So if you're buying, you put a sell limit and a sell stop for TP and stop loss. And then if you take a sell, you place a buy limit and a buy stop for your TP and stop loss.
You got that, Grams?
I'm no expert. I've never done it. I've never done trading view.
Where's OM? Where's OM? OM here yet? OM, can you hear me? OM might be shy. Could that be said? Just go on YouTube.
There was that one weird trade where your one of your orders got left on TradingView. You had to like close it manually.
Oh yeah, I think
Remember that?
I think I did something wrong on that day. Yeah, OM.
Oh,
So
okay.
Graham said he's having trouble using TradeOvate on TradingView because he doesn't know how to set stop loss and TP. So if you can unmute and explain just real quick. See. It's actually not complicated, Graham. It's actually easy. So if I go to gold futures, let's say I take a buy, and if my buy, let's say my buy entry is right here. If my buy entry is right here, what I need to do is, if I want to have my stop loss here, I want to have my stop loss at 2270. What I do is I would, after, obviously taking the position, I click on trade. And now for my TP, let's say my TP is right here. So if my TP is at 2280, I'm going to use buy stop for my TP. Because that's where my TP is, it's above. Now, if I want to get my stop loss at 2270, I have to use a buy limit. Buy limit. And if I'm in a sell, you just do the opposite. You just do the opposite. That's it. It's not hard. It's not hard to do. Or you just set your stop loss and then, hey, get out whenever you want. Just close the trade. You don't have to set a TP. It's like, doing a pending order with Forex. You have a buy stop, buy limit, sell stop, sell limit. The only difference is, instead of you getting activated, you get stopped out. You get stopped. That's the only difference, if I can put it that way.
Yeah, futures don't allow you to take a buy and a sell. So if you're in the buy and you sell, you'll just sell out your buy position.
Yeah. Hey, Lightning Fractions, how you doing? You get it? Oh, cool. Wait, what's going on here? Is the London bank still closed? Classic London volume. I just feel sorry for the traders that only trade London session this period, because London volume has not really been the best this year at all.
Man, what about those London stock traders? Must be hell.
Oh yeah, I can imagine. They don't close automatically. No, so like the example I had earlier when I said if I took a buy. Now, let's say I had my stop loss here. Okay, let's say I had my stop loss here and I had my TP at 2280. Once gold futures get to my TP, I'll be stopped out. Right? I'll be stopped out. But now this buy limit that I have here, I'm going to have to close that myself. So that's all you got to do. And then if price hits your stop loss, which is where your buy limit is, which is your stop loss, then you have to cancel out the buy stop because price then hits your buy stop, which is your TP. Then you just have to manually close it. That's what I've been doing. Unless you create a bracket order. What's a bracket order? Damn, Lucian, well, you guys know what a bracket order is?
No.
Oh, OM just mentioned it? Damn, OM has not even been trading futures that long. Oh, he trades at that trading firm, so yeah. Where? I don't see it. Where did OM mention it? Oh, there you can set one bracket order. What's the bracket order?
Yeah, with the bracket order, you can enter directly with the TP and stop loss without put your manually. You create a bracket, and every time when you enter your buy or sell, it's directly with 30 pips stop loss, 20 pips take profit, and you can make 3-4 brackets for them.
Can you do that on TradingView, or you gotta use the actual platform?
I don't know in TradingView. I think you can in TradingView also, but these brackets are on TradeOvate and Ninja Trader.
So how do you do bracket order? I don't see no option for that over here. Man, I don't care about no bracket order. I'm gonna keep doing it the way I've been doing. Man, F bracket order. You've had bracket order, man. I don't know what that is. I've never had that before in Forex bracket order. Oh, you just click on trade, market, set SL and T. Oh, okay. Okay, you see, OM just made it simple. Click on trade. Okay, it's just man. We do this already, trading Forex. The only difference is you set your TP afterwards, but this one you gotta do it before you click on buy. It's still really kind of like pending order.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's the only way you can set your stop loss and TP before you actually click on buy.
It's definitely different on TradeOvate because you can just set that thing to take profit every 10 pips, and you just hit the buy button and you'll instantly set your TP at 10 pips.
Yeah. You stopped long ago to trade futures. We used to pay CME data fees Maybe you must try again. Yeah, Grams. I think the bracket order is like you said in pending order with Forex. What do I think about the IC market? I don't know. I've never used the IC market before. Probably would have, but they never accepted US clients. So I don't
IC
know.
market's pretty good, but fusion markets is still slightly better.
Is IC market is an Australian broker too?
I think so, because they're definitely in Australia, but maybe they're global or something.
Yeah, yeah, they've been around a long time. Yeah, they've been in business a long time.
But they asked too many questions. They're like asking me so many questions to, get my leverage up, because Australia has the leverage limit. And I'm like, man, fuck it. Too many questions. Fuck it. I'm done.
Oh, that's why you went with Fusion?
Oh no, I was already with Fusion, but I just decided I wanted to test them out, see how they go.
Oh, okay.
No.
Man, what kind of volume is this? Come on, guys, smash that like button. We only have 41 likes. Let's get to 100 likes. Come on. I will need 60 people to just click the like button. Smash the like button, 60 people. Yeah, so far for us this year, it has been New York session that's really been giving us setups. But hey, the second quarter just started, so we'll see. This is NFP week.
Oh, OM said you can use the risk reward tool to set your trade.
Use the reward tool. On Trading View or TraderVate?
I think it means Trading View. I think so.
OM, you use Trading View for your Apex funded account? Ah, is that? Wow. Even though I said I need 60 people to like, guess what? Only 13 people like. Man. I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. If you guys are not careful, and this is just not me, because for whatever reason, YouTube viewers, they just don't want to show appreciation. If you guys are not careful, you just won't find any more Forex YouTube streamers. And guess what? You have no choice but to either buy a course or freaking get that mentorship that the money you don't want to spend, you have no choice but to spend it at that point. You're just clicking the button. You're just clicking your mouse. That's it. That's all you're doing. It's not even hard. Somebody's
I don't even know.
providing, if somebody's giving you free value, the least you can do is show appreciation by freaking liking it.
I don't even know how people stream on YouTube. It's like I don't see the reward. It doesn't seem very rewarding.
No, it's not. It's not rewarding at all. But I guess they don't know. Because if they do, they'll be liking. Man, this volume is trash. It's about to be 30 minutes since London open.
Man, this is worse than yesterday when fucking London was on holiday. Doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, but guess what? Once the new 4-hour candle opened, volume just came out from nowhere.
Yeah. Didn't come from the London banks, that's for sure.
What time do I usually finish taking trades during NY session? I mean, it depends. There have been times where we were done within 30 minutes after NY opened, sometimes an hour, sometimes 45, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3, sometimes 4. It depends. I can't give you a set number. It depends on the market.
Edwin said sometimes no trade.
That's very rare though. During NY
Yeah,
session,
super rare.
it's rare for us not to take a position during NY. That doesn't happen often. I don't stream NY on YouTube, but we still trade together via Zoom. I guess in a way you can still say I stream NY session, just not on YouTube, because the same thing I'm doing right now with Zoom, that's the same thing we do during NY session, not just on YouTube.
Minus all the stupid questions and no music copyrights.
Oh yeah, for sure, no music copyright. Yes, it's definitely paid. This is called London Crawl. I agree with you. And those of you that are here watching me, maybe you don't want to like the stream because you see me smoking weed. Don't let this weed fool you. If I let it motivate you. If this weed is scaring you away, then hey, that's your choice. You're missing out. You don't know what you're missing.
Let it motivate you to smoke weed as well. You smoke it, you might get results like Abe.
You know, some people, they have this mentality that once they see someone smoking weed, automatically in their head, they're like, man, that dude is a bad dude. He's a bad person.
I definitely used to think that back when I was a kid. It's like any drugs, you know, it's like they just label it as bad and demonize it. So you think, oh, don't do drugs, kids, and all that kind of stuff, you know?
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, there are bad drugs out there that I would never do. Weed is legal in Germany. Oh, nice. We shouldn't have been illegal at all in the first place, because it's a plant. How can you say a plant is illegal, but yet cigarettes, alcohol, cigarettes and alcohol is freaking legal?
I know, right?
But you know, it is what it is.
Oh wait, I remember there was like a movie about how America, they tried to ban alcohol, but then it went crazy because people started basically fighting the police, you know, basically gunfighting with the police over it, and you know, it's like, oh well, forget about that. Better make it legal.
Oh, I didn't hear about that. When was this?
I don't know. It's like back in the, you know, when they had those old-fashioned cars, those really funny-looking old-fashioned cars back in those days.
Oh, you must be talking about 90s?
Yeah, back when they had like the Tommy gun, those kind of old-fashioned stuff.
Oh, Debbie said the Prohibition?
Oh, yeah, the Prohibition, yeah.
Wait, is it a movie?
Yeah, I think there's a movie, yeah. Because that's what I saw. It was a movie about it.
Damn, it was a movement? Wow. Yeah, I don't think they'll be able to do that.
The movie's called The Untouchables with Kevin Costner. In short, it's a great film. Great film.
The Untouchables. That's how Moonshine came about. Oh yeah, Moonshine, that was a good movie. People were making their own alcohol because they were banning bars. Wow. Damn, how do you make alcohol? Except margaritas. But aside from that, how do you make?
LOL, fermentation process.
Huh? What did she say?
I think she said fermentation process.
Oh.
Yeah, like how they make palm wine.
Oh, okay. Yeah, palm. Yeah, I can make palm wine. My granddad taught me how to make it. Can I still make it though? Man, I don't think I can. I should be able to. I just need to remember. And we used to go to the village as kids. Yeah, memories.
Yeah, and I guess they figured people were doing like some crazy stuff with alcohol. Like, you know how palm wine gets you really messed up.
Oh yeah.
Like people were better. They were worse as opposed to having alcohol regulated with normal alcohol. So they stopped the ban.
But one thing I would say about palm wine is at least palm wine is natural.
Well, they're all natural because they're all made from, like natural ingredients. And then they just sit it there until it becomes alcohol, gives off alcohol.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, let's say like, like most beer and all that kind of stuff. It's like made from barley or wheat or, whatever kind of stuff.
Man, there's a lot of stuff that get processed now. I even also heard that some people are even putting what's it called, fentanyl in weed.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. I'm like, shit, I gotta be careful with who I buy my weed from now.
I heard that too, actually.
You did too? Yeah. I don't know if it's true, but I mean, I've heard it
it is, because people are dying from it.
It's crazy.
They don't know it's in it, and then they overdose.
Yeah.
Just grow your own.
Are you sure that's legal? Will you go to jail?
It's illegal, but you can pay for it in some states. I think in California and then also Denver, you can just pay for it. I don't know about any other states though. Man, this volume is insane. This is not even volume. There should be another word for this. This is no volume at all.
عارف يتغلب على الصعوبات وين ما بيروح الانسان
خلاص عندنا ولا على السيشن.
That's true. What's the opposite word for volume? On volume?
That's a good question.
On volume? Or this volume? The volume, I don't know. But wait a minute. What's the opposite of volume? Doesn't have one?
I don't think there is. Because there's just a high volume, low volume, right?
Yeah.
It's like, what's the opposite of like water? You know, it's like, I don't know. There's no opposite.
Wait, what's the plural of water? Waters?
There is no plural, right?
Yeah, there's no plural.
LOL, really?
What? What's the plural of water? What do we...
Nothing.
Yeah, that's what we're saying. It doesn't have a plural.
Yeah.
That's what we're saying. But how come some words have plural or opposite and then some don't? I don't know.
The
It
market
doesn't
has
make
us
sense.
talking about water.
The what?
Said the market has us talking about water.
They'll get used to it in London session.
Oh yeah. I mean, we got to find something else to do because London is boring.
Waters.
We got to talk about something else. Very funny replies from Google. Oh man. I think we are going to go bullish. I think this bullish momentum is going to continue.
I would agree with you, but I know the moment I say yes, it's just going to go back down and just keep going sideways.
The reason why I said it is because if you look here when we created this minor support here at 22.52, now look at where all these bottom wicks are. They're simply rejecting right above the previous minor support, and it keeps rejecting there multiple times.
Yeah. And it does look like the hourly's trying to flip bullish and drive up. But hey, it's been trying to do that for the past, 45 minutes, so...
And it's actually reacting to this right here. That's what it's reacting to. you just can't take a buy right now because you have all this and this. So we're gonna need crazy volume for us to break above this freely, and I don't want to deal with that. I don't want to deal with that. Yes, Nick. That's why we are starting at that's why London session opens at 2 a.m. my time now. Good is trying to take the sellers out. You hungry? You could go for some ice cream now. Make one.
Make ice cream. Shit. You know how long that'd take?
I mean, except if he wants to go out and get it. She wants to do that. But if she does that, then she might miss out on the trade. If we get one. She'll be fine as London. Not the best price action right now. Yeah, this 15-minute here shows the one that held. Am I 6 hours or 5 hours behind UK? Wait a minute. I think 6. I think I'm 6 hours behind. But let me just make sure. Yep, I'm 6 hours behind London. Yeah, London session is already open now. Yeah, London is open. Who's gonna win this battle? The sellers or the buyers?
No one's winning. No one wins like this.
The broker wins. I'm good, Vikrant. If I go to the 4 hour and freaking use the 4 hour instead, you'll see that this zone is it's a very, very potent zone. See how many times we've held here? When I saw how this candle is reacting, that's why I decided to use this 4 hour. We've reacted there 1, 2, 3. Now we're reacting there for the 4th time. If we can start breaking, if we do not push up and start breaking 2252, I'm taking a sell. If we keep reacting to this 4 hour resistance. What's not even 15 pips? You mean this candle? Went up 20. It went up 20 pips. So let me pull out this tool here. Ooh, damn, still this volatile. That's crazy. So we possibly will be looking at like 60 pips stop loss. Possibly. Gonna get pips to down here. Got at this 50. So if we do take a sell, we're looking at 60 pips stop loss. And depending on how we keep reacting here, just needed to see what the stop loss is going to be and move this to the side. We'll see BS liquidity has been cleared and it's about to drop. We'll see. Gold has the final say. Man, we still not at 100 likes yet. Huh, that's very interesting.
If you guys notice, if he says very interesting, that's not a good thing.
Oh, you took a paper trade on that buy? Oh, okay. I mean, on that candle. Yeah, that's what you should do. That's what you should do anyways, because even if you take a buy and this trade works out for you today, I would recommend doing it all the time, because this area, taking the trade at this area is a no. The sales is safer. That's if you trade supply and demand. Pretty much if you sell high and buy low. The 4 hour created the bottom wick. Still got an hour to close though. So you can still flip bearish. We shall see. The bullish momentum is still going on right now, though. If we didn't have all this stuff to the left, or if we're not at a 4-hour resistance, 4-hour supply, this candle would have been our entry for the buys. No, Edwin took the buys, the paper trade. Oh, he took sales. Yeah, he took paper trade buys.
Yo, the BT's a hater. This guy. Just can't let Edwin have his moment.
Possible to test 2259 to 60. 2259 to 60. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. We already did earlier, but we could do it again. Which is this candle. Wait. Your my funded FX got shut down too? And you was expecting a payout? They even rejected it. You were expecting a 10K payout? Man, this is really getting freaking annoying. And who's the owner of my funded FX? You broke now. To look at NASDAQ. Yeah, we don't trade indices at this time. We only traded during the NY session. Man, we would have taken this because we were expecting this move anyways. It really didn't tap the demand. I don't think I would have taken this buy, but for sure we would have taken this sell yesterday. I won't be taking NAS either now. I won't be taking NAS either. I need this to be taken out before I take buys. This 1 hour high, I need it to be taken out before I take buys. Without that, we're just in the range. We're just in the range. You're welcome. Gold pushed to 2261. if it closes above 2260, if we break and close above 2260, yeah, we should break 2265 at that point. So we'll see. We should break above 2265 if it closes above this. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
Nah, that's bullshit, man. That's why these fucking prop firms, you know, at the end of the day, they all are banking on how to fuck you over.
Back to Omelette. Annette, don't say that to yourself, Alicia. You got this. Man, that sucks, man. All this prop. And the funded trader, CEO, and guess what? He's freaking, I think, 23 or 24 years old. And he was freaking spending people's money anyhow, buying Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, partying on the freaking yacht with people's sweat. And now he doesn't want to pay people out. Shut down.
Damn.
You took the buys, alright.
And I can't remember the name of it, but you were talking about like last week or something like that, and there's like a bunch of videos on YouTube about it. It's like the Riz and Paladin and those people, and it's like
they shut down too.
Yeah. Man, I thought that guy was like a trustworthy dude, that Riz guy, but I don't know. That's some bullshit right there.
Mm-hmm.
I saw like a little bit of a video where he was saying, you know, he was like doing that prop firm thing because he wanted to help traders. I'm like, you would start prop firm to help traders? Fuck off. You start that to make money, bitch.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
So, man, can't trust, man, it's so hard to trust people. You look at them, you think they're trustworthy, and nope, they fuck you over.
Until a perp firm comes out in the Forex industry that actually has the capital, number one, and has no freaking crazy restrictions, then there will be a Forex trading freaking prop firm to trust, to believe it. Until then, all these people with prop firm, they created it not to help people but to fill their pockets.
Yep. The only one I trust is the one that you mentioned, Darwin X, because that's not a prop firm.
It's not a prop firm. Darwin X is not a prop firm. It's more like asset management.
Yeah.
That one is not going nowhere.
Yep.
That's why they're still on MetaTrader.
And that's why they don't do no like 80%, 90% payouts, because it's real money that you're managing and you get a piece of it, they get a piece of it, and the main account holder gets probably the majority of it.
Yes. That's why you as the trader, once you actually, pass the verification stage just once, not twice, just one, Once you pass that, then you get funded. You trade on it every month. If you're consistent for 3 months, they give you more money. Another 3 months, they give you money. After the first 6 months, they look into your account and see if you was really consistent. They give you more money. So the more your account grows, even though you're only getting 15% profit share, but the more your account grows, the more money you get to make. Just imagine you managing $1 million account size. 15%. If you 15% of a $1 million account size is something.
That's a real $1 million, not some bullshit prop firm where it's like $1 million, but you really only have like $25,000 drawdown or whatever bullshit.
Yeah, with Darwin X, your verification stage is 100K. 100K. Guess what? If you're in drawdown of 20%, I'm not saying you should do this, but let's say you're in drawdown of 20%, which is going to be what, 80K, right?
Yeah. So you're gonna be down to 80K.
So you'll be down to 80K. Guess what? You can still trade. Keep working on, obviously, getting back to 100K, and then keep working on, growing that account. And with Darwiness, as long as you can make 1 to 2% every month, 1 to 2% every month, you can keep growing your account. Meaning after 3 months, they will look into it. You're doing good, they'll give you more money. You just need to focus on making 1 to 2% every month. If you do that, you're good. But at the same time, the downside to you making 1 to 2% is that you got to make sure your drawdown is not more than 2%. If your drawdown is more than 2%, then you might not get more money your first month. But then guess what? You still have other months to work on lowering your drawdown. And the more you keep making profit, the lower your drawdown gets. So I like Darwin X. I like Darwin X. And now they've added futures to it too. But I'm not trading futures with them. I'm just trading gold. I guess I am still trading futures because I trade US30 on NAS. Oh no, not yet. Let me actually show you guys the account. Let me see. I've had it since last year, but I just started I think last week actually. No, 2 weeks ago, but I actually started trading 2 weeks ago. Yeah, started trading 2 weeks ago. Where is it? You guys can see you guys can see my you can see it. Okay, so this is the one I'm going. My risk calibration just needs to be at 100%. Probably, if we take a trade down in London or New York, I should be at maybe 85 or something. I don't know. But anyways, once this risk calibration gets to 100%, then everything will be completed. And then over the weekend, they will take a look at all this you guys see here. Return since inspection, my maximum drawdown, the return. They'll take a look at that. Now, I'm going to need at least 75%. So right now, if I finish with this, I am definitely gonna get 25,000 pounds. I'll just say 20. No, I mean euro. This is euro. So, but let's just say 25k USD. That is what they are going to start you with. All right, that's what they are going to start you with. So, if I get finished with this, once this risk calibration get 100%, I am definitely gonna get that 75%, and then I will get the funds. You see how it says assets under management? I don't have nothing now, but this is a asset management company. It's not really a perf firm, so therefore you will be trading real money, not demo, not fake. Not fake, real.
It's good. Oh yeah, you can only see it on YouTube, guys.
Huh? Yeah, they saw it on YouTube.
Oh, yeah. Zoom couldn't see it.
Zoom couldn't see it?
Yeah, it was only on YouTube screen.
We'll look at it though in New York. Oh yeah, I forgot. We'll look at it though in New York. Hey, why didn't you guys say something earlier?
Oh, Kill the Beat said something, but I was like, yeah, I'm looking at YouTube. It's all good.
Damn, Kill the Beat should have unmute yourself.
I'm moving silent.
I should reach rank number 1 on Darwin. Well, I wish. Hey, who knows? Anything can happen.
That's one of the reasons why I think those trade copiers where people are asking for like 50%, 40% of the profits. It's like that's crazy. That's not how it works.
Pass your challenge. I'll pass your challenge for you.
No. Like how Don's doing that is it Pam? Pam account?
Oh, Pam account?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know what he's getting from them.
I think he's asking for like 60% of the profit, which is ridiculous. It's like, nah, that's not how it works, man. Like he can, of course, you can ask for whatever you want, but that's crazy.
Yeah.
Because what does Darwin X give, right? Like that's how it should be.
So the thing is, you really can't compare Darwin X because Darwin X is acting like the middleman, so they're gonna get a cut. Because if Darwin X was not involved, then it's just you and the investor. So the profit split will be more.
For both of you, you both should get more because you take out the middleman.
Yeah, because you take out the middleman. But yeah, 60% is it's a lot. Still a lot though. I would say
that's crazy.
I would say maybe like 30, 40, because
I would say no more than 30. Because if you take a loss, you take 100% of the loss. But if you take a win, you only get, a percentage. So it has to be 30, on the lower side.
30 makes sense. 30 makes sense. So between 30 and 40 is good. But 60 is too much. To each, you know, to each its own, to each its own, I guess.
Yeah. I would imagine anyone
yeah.
on.
Oh yeah, Jeanette, thank you. I was saying that earlier. Yes, I got it working. Yeah, I got it working. But are you sure? I don't know. I haven't really seen anyone doing stuff like that, saying they want to charge 60 or 50%. That's why I'm like, did he really say 60%?
Yeah, I remember hearing him say 60 like a month back or something like that. It's like, nah, that's too crazy. I wouldn't go over 30%.
Yeah. Maybe you will change it later because this is, I don't know if it's its first one or just trying to test the waters. Maybe you'll change it later.
Yeah, could be. Man, John S, he's a stream hopper, this guy.
Oh, no. This,
No,
this is,
I'm messing.
Oh, I was going to say this is the different one. Yeah, I actually used to mix up the both of them, but until I looked at the name, it's kind of pronounced the same, but spelled differently.
Yeah.
Are we still buying gold? Not at the moment. If it does
not up here.
If it does not break 2265, I'm not buying. I'm interested in selling until we break above 2265.
Man, John is a good dude. He helped you out and he's coming to check up on you to see if it worked.
Yeah. That's one of my, how do I say it? People, traders I respect on YouTube. I'm actually happy to see his success though, because he used to watch me. But I guess APFA is done, you know. That's how it is in this game. So I'm happy for him.
And here I thought once you go black, you don't go back. Apparently not.
Hey, apparently once you go Asian, you can't go back either. I didn't like that one.
I'm so sorry. What are we talking about?
Trading, obviously.
Trading.
Never mind.
He said he's gonna watch the recording. Yeah, we were really talking about trading. I thought about what you thought about first. I'm like, nah, we're talking about trading.
I'm just confused. Once you go black, you never go black. Once you go Asian, you never go. Are we talking about Asia session or what?
No.
We're talking about traders, actually.
Traders. Santos, you know what we're talking about. I really won't be surprised if gold does not break. Damn, Edwin, that was fast. I don't even know what you do. I just saw something on the chart. Oh, okay.
Don't worry, there's a miner on the 5, Edwin.
I was looking at it depending on how this bullish candle close. Okay, not a bad closure. And the 15 also. Why am I not taking sales right now? I need more confirmation. Once we start breaking 2259.02, I'll take this out. Excuse me. Because at that point, we will start breaking back into the range, so I'll be willing to take the sale at that point. Right now we're still above 2259.96 because that is where our most recent resistance is at before we get to 2265. So we broke and closed above it. And this bearish candle rejected it, so we need to see price start breaking back inside the range, and we will take the sell at that point. That's the simplest way I can explain it. Can we get 9 more likes to 100 likes? We just need 9. Oh, what's the stop loss going to be though? So as far as entry, I would have it 258.17. Okay. We would have entry right there. Stop loss. We go for pretty much 50 pips, guys. 50 pips stop loss. Got it 1-to-1 back down here. Yes, you do. No, we're not in the trade yet. If this 15 minutes close bullish, yeah, just up a little bit to possibly around 2259.00. Is this? On trading view is 2258.88. But oh shit.
Just me lately, I don't need a lot. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately, I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper.
Alright guys, I will be right back. I gotta go use the restroom real quick. Wow, please take over for me. If once we start crossing, you know what to do. Let me just call the trade.
Yep, no problem.
If it happens before I get back.
My bros know the deal, they think I play too much. Never miss a miss, yeah, I've been scraping up. Life been moving fast, so you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix, this is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in, don't care who I'm standing with. Cause I'ma be me all day, I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way, you can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day, I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. Yeah. I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot, I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing, I don't speak a lot. And I
The name of the asset managing group, Darwin X. Is MFFX closing? Who knows? A bunch of those prop firms are closing.
I like the fact that in all this candle are more sellers than buyers, so it's an extra confirmation for me.
Looks good. Get ready. Prop firms sound like a pyramid scheme. They definitely a scheme.
Yeah, I saw the first sellers entering on the break of the bullish candle. These are the first one, the impatient sellers.
Sorry, say that again.
I saw the first sellers coming in the market after the first after the bullish wick break, the impatient one.
Ah, okay.
Man, I had get ready. I had to hurry up. I knew Edwin was gonna say that. Yes, if you must know, yes.
Edwin, this guy. Oh no, I'm not gonna use higher entry. I'm just gonna leave it where it is.
You were gonna use a higher entry before?
No, Edwin's asking me if I'm gonna use a higher entry. This thing's, it's still very bullish, so we really wanted to break and give a good separation, not just poke it.
Yeah, I agree with Wall because after the week it's a order there. Where
okay.
The sign, yeah, and the entry is very good where it is.
Abe sees the order flow. He sees it.
Yeah.
Instead of perform using a limited leverage, then flipping account is better. Oh, we don't believe in flipping account over here. Professional traders don't flip accounts. They grow accounts. They compound accounts. They don't flip. Even banks don't flip accounts.
Yep.
Why do you, as a retail trader, want to flip account? All these account flip videos. Man, I'll just keep quiet. Don't let me start. Before they say, hey, that dude called King Gabe is a header. So let me keep quiet.
I wish I remembered the name of that video you sent last time of that dude who like turned like, I can't remember, it was like 500 or $1,000 into like 3 million or whatever the hell it was. It's like,
oh yeah,
God, I want to call that guy out. That fucking lying piece of shit.
That's one of the main reasons why we still have a lot of traders failing. Because instead of working on growing or say compounding, they want to flip their account.
Yeah. And then they see videos like that and think, oh, it's so easy. It's possible.
Yeah. If that dude can do it, I can do it too. So I'm going to just keep trying to flip my account. If you have 150, you use this method instead of buying a challenge. I mean, you can make do with whatever you have, but don't try to flip it. Flipping is different from growing or compounding. Oh yeah, flipping account is an act of poverty and desperation. Professional traders grow and compound accounts. Facts. Flipping account is one of the causes of freaking what do you call it? Damn, it just skipped my mind now. Oh yeah, so flipping account is one of the causes of over leveraging and over trading, because you want to flip it, so you want to keep taking trades, and you want to keep over leveraging. And then when you blow the account, you start looking like, man, I think someone is freaking watching me. The market is watching you. Or somebody from your village is watching you. You're the one watching yourself. Man, trading is something else, man. Do you realize that it takes more than one mistake for you to actually learn? It takes more than one mistake. The first mistake you made, if you think that's the only time you're going to make that mistake, nope, you're kidding yourself. You are going to make it multiple times. Multiple times before you stop, and you're not even going to stop completely. Trading is something else.
Man, I remember my striking coach. He'd always punch me in the side of the head when I'm sparring because I always drop my hands. The moment I drop my hands, he just punches me in the side of the head. It's, oh shit, right. Hand up.
Yeah. And it's just part of human nature. Let's see what happens when this 4-hour candle opens. We got a minute left.
Stepping, I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why. I never doubted me, why? I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend. Only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids. That's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash is full, none of my calls are gold. Digital dash on hold.
Let's see what this new 4-hour candle does.
Living my truth, no tricks. I'm just trying to feed my kids. I'm just trying to keep my way. I'm just trying to live my life while we get rich. Mind my biz, money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital, the dash digital. Run it up, digital, 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 digital. Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money.
I'm good, and you?
Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the. It's just me and the fam. Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours. It's a
1 to 30 leverage is good. Nah, that's too small. At least 1 to 100. US brokers is 1 to 50. I don't even like that. 1 to 100 I'll manage.
Oh yes, Tempest FX. Yes, spot on. That's the guy.
Who said it?
Circle of Time Trader. Yes, Tempest. I remember that.
Oh yeah, oh, the two. Wait, were they not? Oh, they're like two brothers or friends, something like that.
Yeah, like two of them.
Yeah. After that video, they made another one, and since that, I've not really been seeing them on YouTube.
Good.
Is that good? Maybe also because I don't watch like Forex videos as I used to anymore, so YouTube barely recommends Forex videos to me. My YouTube is strictly. My YouTube channel is strictly for not channel. My YouTube account is strictly for
basketball.
Sports, basketball, sometimes music, movies, like my country's movies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because they upload them on YouTube for free.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah. $1,000 to $2,000 giving out. What, man? If you see a broker offering $1,000 to $2,000, you should run away. That's insane. They started with 5,000. Was that the? Because I can't remember. Was that the amount they started with? $5,000.
I can't remember. All I know is they grew it to like a couple million in like 10 trades or some bullshit. It was all winning trades, of course.
Yep, not a single loss. I mean, it can happen because, I mean, you can go on a winning streak. So that's, that's that part. I would say, okay, that's probably true. But I still don't believe they freaking did it in 10 days.
Yeah. And not to mention, every trade was probably like maximum leverage, like it can't go in drawdown because if it does, you're going to blow the account.
Yeah. Question is this supply strong enough to push gold down? You probably blew the account 20 times before uploading the video that worked.
Yep.
And in the video, they didn't. I don't think they even show whether the account was a live account or not.
They did show them withdrawing money into Bitcoin and something like that.
Oh,
but it's bullshit because I remember that iMan trading, how he's like even showing emails from Henko Trade, how they're willing to like just fake an account for him.
Yeah.
It's like, dude, do that. What the fuck?
Yeah, brokers do that.
The fact that Henko Trade would, be like, oh yeah, we'll make a fake account for you. It'll look real and all that shit. It's like, oh, well, Henko Trade off the list of brokers that I want to use.
Yeah, some brokers, they offer that. You will say live account and everything.
Yeah.
Yep, it got to a point. Yeah, they were trading 2,000, spend $2,000 on a trade, or 2,000 pounds, because I think they were from the UK, right?
Oh yeah, there was like near the end of the video, they're like, yeah, sell 500 lots and then just keep clicking it several times, like click, 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 click. But they're doing it on their phone and they're just like casually doing it. So it's like getting like lower and lower entries, which is complete nonsense because if anyone has a real broker and you sell 500 lots at a time, you'll get slipped hard.
Yeah.
There's not 500 lots on that price to fill you.
Mm-hmm. Said if gold goes to entry, it should melt. Yes. Yes. Said if it starts breaking below 2259.97, it should melt. Yeah, 0.92 should melt. For all I can, just trying to decide on what to do.
Damn. I thought this was going to be a quick one. It looked like it was going to break. It's just staying here.
Yeah. Just staying. You've never heard of them, and you're from the UK, but they do have the MyFX book connected to their account that done it. And you just looked them up? I don't think you can fake my FX book. I haven't.
I think you can. I saw the that YouTube guy, Trader Nick, some fundamental trader, and he made a video like talking about like how people fake my FX book and MetaTrader and stuff like that.
Oh, I didn't know you can fake my FX book.
He was making it about the video about ICT, and then afterwards he apologized because everyone started hating on him.
Oh yeah, I've seen that. Oh, I've seen a snippet of that video. That was when, ICT's code was in full effect, full motion. Everyone was talking about ICT this, ICT that. Let me. We keep reacting here, so I see no reason why this shouldn't bleed.
Yeah. Sorry, rejected like countless times up here.
You can see her going all the way down. Hey, I just need a piece of the drop. Just give me a piece and let me go my way. I'll leave the rest for you guys. You're gonna leave a runner. Okay, after 15. Okay. If it's going to fall and when it's ready to fall, it's probably good. There's a higher chance we're gonna see an engulfing candle.
In trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep.
Man, oh man.
Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. You only get this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
Something is gonna happen. Some big orders are starting appearing here.
Okay.
I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? I'd go. When I go with confidence, when I go we roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.
That's right, kill the beat. He sees it.
You've been following my stream for over a year. You can now see my supply and demand strategy. Your eyes have been exposure. You're exposed. Supply and demand is the one. Absolutely.
If you put in the time and the effort, you guys will get it.
Yep.
And thankfully, supply and demand is one of the much more straightforward, easy ones to get. It's not overly complicated and stuff.
Yep, but you can complicate it if you want. These rejections we're having, I can just make up a name for it and tell you to buy my course. Make it super complicated. Not beginner friendly at all. Man, what are you gonna do, Gold? Just make up your mind. I think we have new stuff in NY today. Yeah. 2 hours after NY open. Thank you, Al.
Been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in late, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Please, can you give me advice on any perfume to use? Man, if you're not in the US, you can go with 5%ers, fundedness, the Forex fund, or FTMO. All these perfume that are based here in the US, in my opinion, just forget about them. The one that Alicia was talking about, my funded FX, where are they located? Is Alicia still here? Oh damn, some of you got tired of London session on Zoom.
I don't blame you.
Alicia, where's the CEO of Funded FX from? My Funded FX or Funded FX, whatever you called it. If we break this high, I'm done. Because at this point, if it breaks this high right now, yeah, it should break 2265, and I'm not gonna get anything until NY session. So. You enter the buy right here. Sheesh. Okay.
If we had a better closure up here, not this crazy rejection wick, we could just taken buys up.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That's how it starts. Yeah, I was just about to say, when if it takes this type of setup again and it loses, it shouldn't complain.
Oh yeah, how's GJ been treating you? Kill the beat.
Oh yeah, I've not.
Last I checked, it looked.
We've not had you talk about GJ that much this time around, Kill the Beat, for a while now. It's sneak peek today. Okay, let's see. Sneak peek. When did I do? Oh, I think this was last week when we do this demand. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, DJ. Yeah, I would have taken buys here. We would have taken GJ buys here. Until this supply at least. Yeah. Until we get to this 30-minute supply. Yeah, it's a nice range here. Got about 47 pip range from where entry would have been. Okay, all right, YouTube. Thank you guys for hopping on. We didn't take a trade today. The same thing yesterday. If you guys want to learn from me, learn how I trade London and New York session with us, especially NY session privately, you can use my link down below in the description. Hey, we stay disciplined. We're looking for a position, but we didn't get it. There's nothing we can do, and it is what it is. So, God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. I'm out. All right, Zoom. I'll see you guys in a few hours for NY session.
Thanks, Sid.
You're welcome.
Got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. You moment. You moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. Trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we gon' jump through